Welcome back to the Booze by Rob production facility located in Havana, Cuba. Havana, Cuba. We, production staff and I are now on our world tour, and we are in the Madrigal Cafe and Bar with my good friend,
Juan Carlos.
Juan Carlos. And today we're going to make the Cuban drink, a mojito. Mojito is a cold drink. It's made in a glass. It is delicious. It's fantastic. I can't wait to start. So Juan Carlos, we're going to add some sugar to the glass. This is a cocktail you actually make inside the glass. A little sugar.
Lemon.
Lemon juice or lime juice. All right.
Okay. Agua con gas. Una botica.
Okay, so that's water with gas. Agua con gas. That is club soda, Perrier, something like that. All right. Agua con gas. And you notice how quickly we're measuring things here. It's going to be perfect. All right. What else would nice?
La hierba buena.
So this is a Cuban mint. It is different than spearmint, peppermint that we get in the United States. It's in the mint family. It is not quite as minty tasting, and it has a little bitter characteristics to it. All right. We're gonna put the yerba in the glass. All right.
Entonces, pasamos a la parte de solamente presionar la hierba.
So we're going to use a muddler, and we're going to crush the mint, but we're not going to do it so hard that we destroy it. Gracias. And it's also best to kind of use a twisting motion when you do this. This lets out all those oils and the flavors, the botanicals, all that. Okay.
Mezclamos.
I'm going to stir it. Oh, I think we're almost done here. Now, we're missing one El Ron.
Ron. 3 años.
So it's 3-year Havana Club rum. Now, you can't get this in the United States unless you're a smuggler, but if you use a clear rum, a white rum, silver rum, that will do just fine. Oh, we're going to measure that. Okay. All right, so let's figure out how much that is.
Fixing.
Yeah. How much? ¿Cuánto?
50.
50. Okay. It's like a quart, so put as much rum in there as you want. It's great rum, by the way.
De nuevo.
Now we're going to stir again.
Mezclamos de nuevo. Entonces, viene la parte del hielo.
Oh, we're out of ice. One moment, please, while we go get más hielo. So talk amongst yourselves, sing a song, dance. Sometimes I think about, what booze is behind the bar in these type of situations, and I really am looking forward to this mojito, probably more than any mojito. He's cracking the ice. We're doing well. Actually, and we've got a huge live studio audience behind us tonight. Más hielo. All right, we're back with ice. We got to break up the ice. It's too big. So the Madrigal Bar, where we are staying tonight, is owned by a good friend of mine. We've been to Cuba now many times. And we've stayed with Luis all the times we've been here, and he's now a partner in this bar. So, all right, back to work. We're adding ice to the cocktail. Gracias. No más.
Ok.
Okay.
Completamos con el agua con gas.
So we're gonna finish off the cocktail with the agua con gas, the club soda, if you would. Okay. Got to put the lid back on or you lose the gas.
Entonces,
All right. I'm gonna stir again.
movémonos.
Okay.
Entonces, vamos a la parte de la angostura.
Angostura. This is actually
La angostura de chocolate.
Yeah,
Vamos a hacerlo para cambiarle un poco el sabor y el aroma. ¿Ok?
yeah. So this is Angostura chocolate bitters, the cocoa bitters. Has a good flavor, and I love bitters. You know that about me. The more
Toast.
bitters, the better.
Un gajo de hierbabuena, una rama de hierbabuena
So now we're going to add a little more of the mint to
Para
it for a garnish,
decorar el cóctel.
right? Gracias. Got to pick out a good looking one. This is the one that actually needs to look good instead of tasting good. So we're back.
Y terminamos con un absorbente y un removedor.
Okay, so we're going to use a stir. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, he's special. I'm going to use it one too. We're going to get our straw.
Listo el cóctel.
All right. Salud.
Salud.
Salud. Let's try this out.
No?
That's pretty darn good. So, guys, from Havana, Cuba at the Madrigal Bar and Cafe, cheers, folks. Stay safe and enjoy a real, authentic mojito from Havana. Cheers. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.